What if the sudden shift in education in 2020 wasn't a crisis, but a catalyst? An unexpected nudge that pushed us from traditional teaching methods towards a more flexible and personalized learning approach. Yes, we're talking about the rise of blended learning. In the wake of the pandemic, the term blended learning became a buzzword. But it's far more than just a buzzword. It's a transformational approach that combines the best of both worlds, in-person instruction and online learning. This blend does not just happen. It's a thoughtfully planned and carefully executed strategy that caters to diverse learning styles and needs. Remember the days when learning was a one-size-fits-all approach? Well, those days are behind us. Blended learning introduces a flipped classroom model where students engage with online content outside the class time. This shift allows for more meaningful interactions during class sessions, empowering students to progress at their own pace. It's about giving students the reins of their learning journey, fostering an environment of collaboration and critical thinking. But the impact of blended learning doesn't stop within the four walls of a classroom. It extends beyond, reaching remote learners, facilitating professional development, and even streamlining corporate training. With digital platforms and mobile devices, educators can deliver tailored instruction, track student progress, and engage learners from diverse backgrounds. This evolution in education didn't happen overnight. It's been a collaborative effort supported by institutions like the U.S. Department of Education and the George Lucas Educational Foundation. Blended learning isn't just a passing trend, it's shaping the future of education. But how can educators leverage blended learning effectively? It's not about throwing technology at teachers and hoping for the best. It's about providing the right training and resources. Workshops and training programs are stepping up to offer practical guidance and strategies. These initiatives aim to enhance student engagement, reduce teacher stress, and foster a culture of continuous learning. In this ever-changing educational landscape, blended learning is more than just a necessity. It's an opportunity to transform education, an opportunity to cater to the evolving needs of students and educators alike. It's about making learning more accessible, more engaging, and more effective. So, as we navigate this new era of education, remember that blended learning isn't just about technology. It's about creating an environment where every student can thrive. It's about empowering educators to deliver personalized instruction. And above all, it's about embracing change and seizing the opportunities it presents. Because the future of education is not just about learning, it's about blending.